everyone, welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth. I am so glad that you are here. I have got a style to show you from Paula Young. This is Rosalie in the color SF1026. That is Buttered Toast. Now, some of you may remember that I did a live unboxing of Rosalie with Dawn Stamper. I'm gonna link that over here for you in case you wanna check it out. Rosalie is a basic cap wig. We do have this nice soft front. This here, the rose covered lace is going to be permatease on top. We have the open wefting. We have the open ear tabs with the bendy metal stay, the hair on the inside, extended nape with the Velcro adjusters. There is a lot of stretch in this cap. This is what she looks like. Super cute wavy bob. So on my head, I'm wearing Jackson. Jackson is in the color Allspice. Now I have done a previous review of Jackson. I'm gonna link that here. This is a super cute bob. But before I go ahead and put Rosalie on, let me just show you what she looks like right out of the box. So we have your factory crisscross part, but you can see those highlights. All right out of the box, we got Rosalie.
More fingers up.
All right, here we go. Rosalie, right out of the box. What are we thinking? I'll come in a little closer. All right, so my left.
My right. Is that really your left?
Yeah.
This is my right. This is my right.
And back. I'm not quite sure if I'm in the frame because I don't have my mirror. And my right. All right, so I will put her on and show you. I have worn her a couple times. So let's just take a look at Rosalie. Here she is. Super cute, like I said. And you can see how flat it looked right out of the box. With a little zhuzhing, your fingers in that permatease. I hang them upside down back here, and that just gives me the volume that I like. Now let me show you the picture of Rosalie. So I feel like this one doesn't really look like the catalog photo. I'm not exactly sure if it's just styled quite a bit flatter on this picture or what, but this has got a lot of volume and I love that. And I know a lot of you do too. Okay, so I want to spin around so that we can see her from all sides. Look at the cuteness of this and the waves. Isn't that fun? There's just so much body here. I love this. Really, really cute. If you remember in that live, Dawn and I did our head measurements. So between the length of my face and the circumference of my head, I've got 2 inches more real estate that I'm taking up in wigs. So you will notice that wigs look shorter on me than they do on the model, and then they do on other reviewers who might have shorter heads this way and a smaller circumference. So I'm almost 23.5 inches around, and I am 9 inches from forehead to chin. So that makes the wig appear a little bit shorter on me, but I think that's a good reference for you so you can kind of determine how it's going to look on you based upon my measurements. I did not alter Rosalie in any way. I didn't cut anything. I didn't trim anything. All I did was water and scrunch. That's all that I did there. And I did add the light golden brown root spray right here, just at the top. because in this cap, the permatease does come up to the front. So I just wanted to add that little bit there just to kind of disguise the permatease, because I do not have bio hair to pull out and blend. When I first started on my wig journey, I did have bio hair that I would pull out, and I would use the root spray on my bio hair as well to blend it with my wigs. I have since buzzed my hair off a couple of years ago, and now it's just short, and it's not even a cute pixie anymore, but it is what it is, and I have beautiful wigs, so I don't care. I think that root spray just really made it look natural, in my opinion. I love it. So cute. Buttered toast. We're talking about a blonde because we have the brown underneath. You do have some blonder highlights, but not strong, just very fine highlights. And it's more of an ash tone. It's not that warm tone like this was allspice. You can see that right off the bat that allspice has the warmth in it, in the color. So buttered toast is more of that ash. I think the reason why you guys are here is because you want to see some styling with Rosalie. So I want to go ahead and show you some styling, and then I'll step outside at the end and show you her color outside in the natural light. So I stopped at the Dollar Tree and they had tons of accessories. They've just gotten their new stock for spring in, and I love it. Pull a little bit out and put that on. Kind of poof her up a little bit back here. So cute. Really fun. And I also got this cute headband. So like your hair pulls back. So I thought we could try this. I don't know if it will work with this, but I'm going to give it a try. So I'm going to kind of do the same thing where I kind of pull it across and then try to grab some of the hair and pull it back. Push some of that back. So just like you would with your bio hair. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my ratting comb and just kind of back comb so that I can get a little height behind. Just like so. You know what, that looks cute. I like that. Yeah, really fun. And you can't see any wefts. I don't think you're gonna have to worry about seeing any wefts with this because there is a lot of volume in this. I'm gonna do a little, kind of a twist back here. And then I have this cute little flower for summer. So if you were going to a little wedding, and you know, then you could kind of take your water and even scrunch this up maybe a little bit more for some volume. Scrunch this a little. Oh my gosh. I'm just waiting in line, waiting to get my lemonade at the garden party. Really cute, really fun. Can we do a ponytail? Let's see. I think so. You know, maybe not. Maybe I won't do it all the way. Maybe I'll just do it partially. All right, how are we looking? Maybe I'll tuck a little bit behind my ear. Oh yeah, that's cute. That looks super cute. I think that looks super natural. You know, just make sure your wig line or your wig cap isn't showing, right? Really fun. So if you wear glasses like me for reading, they go in super easy. If you had glasses and you were like walking into the store, that looks cute. Waiting in line at the grocery store. You want to see a full updo. I know you do. Let's try that. I always like to be strategic, pull a few hairs down at the front, face framing layers. I kind of liked that one curl. I want to keep that one. Keep that one at the front. Claw clippy. And I try to grab a weft when I do that. Okay, some of that didn't quite go in there, so let's go ahead and just twist that one up. And let's just grab another clip. And we'll clippy that. And I'm gonna add a little bit more. I just kind of like twist as I'm going up. And then we'll go back around and make sure that the wig line is not exposed. Let me get a mid-size small one. Okay, put that one here. Okay, let's see what we got. Maybe a little bit more here. I just think like the curly ones are so cute for updos. All right, let's look. Let's double check our wig lines, right? Okay, see, that looks cute. So I do some in front of my ear, some behind. That's cute with the little curly tendril. Now let's pull down here. Pull down over here, pull a few out. Oh, that looks so cute. You can put a little bit behind the ear, some in front. What do you guys think? If you wanted to add like a little flower barrette, maybe, just for a little extra flair, let's see. Yeah, that looks cute. So cute for an updo. If I was gonna wear it in an updo like a number of times, then what I do is I just keep it in the updo and I just put it in my wig head. That's all I do. Now I just took those clips out, so I'm just adding a little more water. Water is your friend when it comes to wigs, and especially for your curlier or wavier styles. I think water is the best thing. Oops, I still have one clip in. Whoop. One clip. So if I'm gonna wear it down, I would do just about like this. Can have a little bit kind of up, gives you that cute profile, but you're still hiding the wig cap. If you wanted to, you can do a cute little ear tuck. Again, I just leave a little bit forward, just to kind of disguise that front. Rosalie is available in all 21 Paula Young colors. You can see those in the center of your catalog. You can order from the catalog or you can order online. And remember, use my discount code BBH20 because that's going to save you 20% off of each wig that's $49.99 and over, excluding clearance. That is not a one and done. You can use that anytime and every time you shop. So on our way out, I will step outside so that you can see Rosalie in the natural sunlight in the color SF1026 Buttered Toast. Thank you guys so much for being here. I am so happy to show you this beautiful style, and I will see you very soon. Bye-bye.